Welcome to this tutorial. How to find people by location on Facebook. Open your web browser and type facebook.com in the web address bar. Type your email in the first text field. Enter your Facebook account password and then click on the Login button. At the top left, click on the Facebook search bar. Type the name of a person that you want to find in a specific location and press Enter on your keyboard. Under the filters on the left side panel, click on the People tab. Click on the down arrow of City and type the city name in the text field. You will find some city name suggestions in the search field. Click on a city name from the list. Now you will find the name of people who are living in your searched location. You can click on the Add Friend button on the right side of a person's name to connect with him or her. Hope this was easy. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel.